Hi students, now we are going to see the term 1, unit 1, the lesson 1 poem Bender the Blender. Okay, Bender the Blender. What is a blender? Blender means the machine is used for mixing liquid or food with a high speed. That is called as the blender. Okay, Bender the Blender. What is a poem name? Bender the Blender. There once was a blender. Okay, there once was a blender. His name was Bender. What is the name of the blender? His name was Bender. When no one was home, okay, when no one was home, he would come alive and roam. Okay, what the blender is doing? He would come down and it is roaming here and there. All his friends would be there soon. Okay, when it is come down, the friends also gathering there. Okay, all his friends would be there soon. The knife, the fork, and the spoon. Who are the friends of the blender? The knife, the fork, and the spoon. They would gather around. Okay, they would gather around and run all over the ground. Okay, the kitchen having the space, no, therefore they are roaming. Okay, soon everyone is glum. Okay, when the sound is they hearing, everyone they came from outside. Okay, soon everyone is glum, hearing the car room room. Okay, what is the sound of the car? Room room. They have to draw the line. They have to draw the line and wait until next time. Whenever they will go, then they will play. That time up to that time they are waiting. Okay, that blender and the friends were waiting for the next when it is coming the next time. Okay, so once again I'll read the poem. There once was a blender. His name was Bender. When no one was home, he would come alive and roam. All his friends would be there soon. The knife, the fork, and the spoon. They would gather around and run all over the ground. Soon everyone is glum, hearing the car room room. They have to draw the line and wait until next time. And wait until next time. Here having that rhyming words, blunder and bender. Then home, roam, soon, spoon, around and ground. Okay. Okay, now you are going to see the supplementary reader, the big offer. Okay, what is that supplementary reader name? The big offer. Ramu runs a small restaurant that makes very tasty food. Okay, so who runs the restaurant? Ramu runs a small restaurant. I think that restaurant in your parents, with your parents, you are going to restaurant means that hotel. Okay, small restaurant that makes very tasty food. Okay, where there in the restaurant, the Ramu cooks very tasty food. One day he gets an order to cook dinner. Okay, one day he gets an order to cook dinner for the biggest party in his town. Okay, get the order for the preparing the food for them dinner in the biggest party in his town. However, he cannot cook. Okay, however, he cannot cook because why he is not cooking? Because he is very sick. He is not able to do. Okay, then he thinking what I will do, or I am sick. No, so he is thinking that time what will happen only. Now you are going to see. Okay. I feel terrible. Okay, the Ramu is speaking here. I feel terrible. Terrible means I am very bad. My condition is very bad. Okay, I feel terrible. I am not able to get out of the bed. Okay, I am not able to get out of the bed. I can't able to stand. Okay, so but if I don't cook, who will? Okay, I am not able to do. Then who will do that cook? Okay, that like that Ramu is thinking that time what will that some of them he is speaking, you will see. I will help you. Okay, I will help you. Here there's some pots and coming and there is speaking. I will help you. I will work with my friends and get the food ready for the party. Okay, he what it is saying? It is saying with the help of the friends I will do the work. Okay, I will help you. I will work with my friends and get the food ready for the party. Okay, ready for the party. I am big enough to prepare the rice party. The first one, what is it is speaking? The pot, the big pot is speaking. Okay, here you want to know that the utensils of the kitchen. Okay, here who is speaking here? Bigger pot is speaking here. I am big enough to prepare the rice for a party. So the pot you are in your house, your mother and all preparing the pot only that the rice is preparing. So same like here, the big pot is speaking what it is speaking. I am big enough. I am a big one. So I will prepare rice for a party. Okay, I am prepare for a rice for a party. Next one, the mixture is mixie. We are saying no, that one it's speaking. I am the fastest. What it is speaking? I am the fastest. Okay, I can do the work fast way. Okay, I make food in minutes. I can make the food minutes. I mix the fruits and milk together. Okay, I mix fruit and milk together. What will you getting? You are mixing the fruit and milk. You are the fruit and milk are joined together. What will you get? You are getting the milkshake, no? So here I mix fruits and milk together. Then add a little sugar. Okay, then you are adding the little sugar means that will be a very tasty milkshake. What is that? It is a tasty milkshake. You are adding with fruits and milk and adding sugar means what you are getting? You are getting the tasty milkshake. Okay, the first pot spoke. Next what is speaking? Mixer. Next one what is it? The tawa. That no. Just switch on the burner. Okay, just switch on the burner. Look at me fry and roast for food. Okay, in that switch on the burner means you are keeping on that burner means what will give? I look at me fry and roast the food. Okay, look at me. I'll make a food for me fry items. Okay, so next one that is a pan. Next one here I am. Look at me slice and dice. Okay, what it is speaking? Here I am. Okay, here I am. Look at me, slice and dice. Get ready, my dear tomatoes. Okay, get ready, my dear tomatoes. I think the bread, no? Here slice, okay, here I am. Look at me, slice and dice. Get ready, my dear tomatoes. Onions and chilies. Here I come. Okay, here I come. Okay, with whom it is speaking? It is speaking to the tomatoes, onions and the chilies. Here I come. My goodness, I can't believe my eyes. Okay, that at that time who came? That Ramu came to the kitchen. What is saying? What he said? My goodness, I can't believe my eyes. Okay, I can't believe my eyes. The food for the party is ready. Okay, whatever he thought that fully the food will be ready. Okay, so the food for the party is ready. Who helped you all? Okay, he's asking the question. Who helped you all? Thanks to all for the delicious food. Okay, delicious means tasty. Okay, thanks to all for the delicious food. The recipe book was so that the mixture, then pan, and that and all saying who is the chef? The recipe book was our chef for all the day. Okay, you in your house also your mothers they're seeing the book and they're doing some innovative items, no? So here also they saw the book only, they done the items. Okay, thank you children.